Doreese Simpson is suing her ex-boyfriend, Ulysses Mullins, for unpaid rent, hotel costs, and a broken tablet.
Miss Simpson, the defendant took you in with your children, is that right?
Yes.
And you had a relationship with him for several months.
Incorrect, but
How
yes.
long?
About 3 months.
And during that 3-month period, you and your kids lived in you have a home or an apartment?
Apartment, ma'am.
Where had you lived prior to moving in with Mr. Mullins?
I was in my own residence in Burnsville.
And what happened with that residence?
When I met the party, we agreed to move in together, and so I gave up my home to move in with him.
So you were paying rent?
Yes.
In what month did you move in with him?
At the beginning of April.
What?
Can I please say something? I just wanted to clarify, Your Honor, when me and Ms. Simpson met, she was actually in transition from moving from her place in Burnsville. And when she moved in, her and her family moved in with me. They were actually living in this hotel, and she was paying like 80, 90 bucks a week. I told her she can help me, you know, we can.
Just a second. Were you living in a hotel?
Yes.
How many children do you have?
2.
How old are they?
8 and 3. But at that time, I only had 1 child, and that was the 2-year-old.
Okay. Did you pay him any rent in April?
No, I didn't.
Did you pay him any rent in May?
Yes.
How much?
$215.
Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Did she pay you any rent in May?
No, ma'am.
What about in June?
Yes, ma'am.
How much rent did she pay you in June?
She paid me a total of $400.
What date in June?
June, let's say the middle of June, June 15th.
Do you know when you paid him?
Yes,
money?
it was in the middle of May.
And then there came a time when Mr. Mullins asked you and your children to leave.
Yes.
Okay. How long after the $400 did he ask you to leave?
The money was given around May, maybe the 19th, and then I came back for a couple of days, and then I was put out.
I don't know what you want.
Well, I'm asking for my rent because for June, and I gave him a total of $400 altogether, and that was for May and June. It wasn't no $400 for June. So I did pay rent for May and June, and I'm suing for the June part because I was kicked out at the end of May.
You didn't pay any rent in April.
No, I didn't.
You lived there April and May, 2 months.
Partially of May.
Well, on what date did you leave in May?
Oh, May 19th, I'm sorry.
Is that when she left?
Yes, Your Honor, that sounds about right, but she also moved back in shortly after that, and also...
Just a minute, when did she move back in?
To be honest, I don't think she really moved out May 19th, because that means that she moved out in between our birthdays, and she was still living with me for her birthday into June. Her birthday is at the end of May, mine is in the beginning. And this is my first time hearing about May 19th, and she moved in my home in February.
Okay.
So I want to